with a particular or a good number of data, as you can see, the dates, the month, the year, and the sales made by each of the employees on these dates. Now, let's see how to use the group dates by month. So first thing first, you need to create a pivot table. As you know, we just select, insert, and create. You can create or you can include your headers. It depends on you. So you just come at the level of this insert tab, and automatically it will just appear. So as you can see, you will just select the year and the month in the same row, and the sales will be your values. Okay, so from here you have as you can see, it just give us the sum total of all the sales on that particular month. This is just because we had just one month. That is the reason why it's giving us the same value. Okay, it just totalized all the values to show us this. So what you need to do is that, as you can see, you can just you can just go on at the level of a pivot table, and then you try to bring out your data, and then you can go at the level of your pivot table. You right click, and then you will see at the level of group. Okay, from group, good. They say you cannot group that selection just because the selection was not well done. So you have to then select the group you wish to include them. So let's leave it like that, meaning let's move from 2018 to 2019, and then you click on OK. So from here you can see that the values will be automatically set up, and you will have something like that. So I hope you guys love the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So let's meet in the next video for Excel secrets. Okay, so I hope you guys love it. Bye bye.